3 years after the release of ChatGPT, there is a prevalent misconception that this AI model signifies a paradigm shift, implying that we are on the cusp of ubiquitous, human-like artificial intelligence transforming every aspect of society overnight. However, this hype often obscures the reality of what the technology truly entails and its limitations. Contrary to popular belief, ChatGPT does not herald an intelligence revolution. Rather, it exemplifies a sophisticated statistical pattern recognition system that operates under well-understood mathematical principles. Fundamentally, ChatGPT and similar large language models, LLMs, are built upon a core mathematical framework called sequential Bayesian updating or gradient-based learning. This process involves adjusting model parameters based on vast amounts of data through a technique called gradient descent, which can be approximated by continuous equations characterized by the so-called gradient flow. Recent research reveals that during training, these models inherently prefer to learn low-frequency, broader patterns in data, such as common language structures, before gradually capturing high-frequency, finer details, which often contain noise or outliers. This phenomenon is known as the frequency principle, or F principle. The implication of this principle is that models are biased toward smooth, generalized patterns and tend to memorize specific high-frequency information only after extensive training phases. This gradual learning trajectory explains why overfitting, the phenomenon where models perform well on training data but poorly on unseen data, is an inevitable feature of deep learning, not merely a consequence of model size or insufficient regularization. Overfitting occurs because high-frequency noise and quirks in data are learned late in training, leading models to memorize specifics that do not generalize. Much of the current hype suggests that AI models like ChatGPT are intelligent or possess human-like reasoning capabilities. In reality, they are pattern-matching machines that excel at smooth approximations and generating plausible text based on statistical correlations. Their understanding is a reflection of the patterns present in their training data, not genuine comprehension or reasoning. As such, the idea that AI development will soon produce entities with human consciousness or common sense is misleading. In conclusion, the prevailing narrative exaggerates AI's capabilities, fueling misconceptions about a coming intelligence revolution. The reality is that models like ChatGPT operate within the confines of mathematical biases, particularly favoring simplicity over complexity, and are fundamentally limited by the same principles that govern all gradient-based learning systems. Recognizing this helps us develop more accurate expectations and focus on designing AI systems that complement human abilities, rather than mistaken beliefs in near-human intelligence.